Kailangan natin a proper mindset. Tapos kailangan yung focus mo. Yung goal mo, parang anong mga plans mo, i-hit the goal mo talaga. I'm Jacqueline Magsalansan and my travel agency name is Skyhopper PH Travel and Tours. My experience here in the training, I realized na we have to trust in ourselves and trust the process. Everything naman due to the support ng POTB, continuous lang yung magiging pagsuporta nila sa atin. Biggest takeaway ko sa training, I've learned kailangan natin a proper mindset. Tapos kailangan yung focus mo. Yung goal mo, parang anong mga plans mo, i-hit the goal mo talaga. Para sa mga aspiring travelpreneur, kailangan maging ready ka mentally. Aralin mo yung magiging business natin. So into travel, alamin mo rin kahit paano yung in and outs ng travel industry. Message to POTB, sana alagaan nyo kaming mga bagong travelpreneurs. Help us ma-hit namin yung mga goal namin at sabay-sabay tayong mag-grow dito sa travel industry. Thank you, POTB!